Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll tell you the most important topics that can be asked in your ISC 12 board exams. Firstly, we'll talk about the distribution of marks for the theory paper. Section A is of 65 marks. Section B or C, whatever you attempt, is of 15 marks. Alright, so we'll be starting with the important topics that you have to do. I think you have ample days to complete the entire syllabus and revise it. Before that, I also want to tell you about my ebook. This is Final 50, which has the most expected questions that can be asked in your board exams. Around 60% of the paper will be from this ebook. So I have analyzed the previous year trends, went through a lot of questions, the previous year questions basically from the past 10 years. I have written the proper solutions, like what do you exactly have to write in your board exams. So if you want to buy this ebook, the link is in the description box. Already a lot of students have bought it and the reviews are really good. So I'm very happy that students are liking my ebook. So let's begin. First is equivalence relation. So they'll ask you to prove it is equivalence, that is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, right? Then second is prove the function is invertible. This is a frequently asked question. Then FOF inverse or GOF of X and so on. Then next is inverse trigonometric functions, alright? So the syllabus mentions that you have to do only these formulas. Please learn the domain and range of sine inverse, cos inverse and tan inverse. Then formulas on sine inverse x plus sine inverse y, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y and tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Whenever you solve any question, these formulas will be applied. Then next is matrix. In this, prove that A is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. I have covered all these important questions in my ebook already. Find A inverse. You very well know this is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, right? Then Martin's rule. For differentiation, chain rule, substitution questions, all these will be asked. You have to learn each and every formula for differentiation and integration because that will be applied in a lot of chapters, be it Maxima, minima or AOD, even section C also. If you're not able to solve the maxima minima questions, you can also watch my video. I've taught you how to approach a question, especially the mensuration questions. Like they'll ask you, there is a sphere inside a cylinder or a cone. So please be prepared for all these questions. Learn the formulas of mensuration. Then find out the stationary points, the local maxima, the local minima and so on. Then for integrals, again I'll not say that only this thing is important, but yeah, frequently asked questions are like partial fractions or substitution questions where you have to put fx equal to t and then differentiate it, and you know what am I saying. So I'll also post videos on important questions. I'll solve them. Then integrals. Then make sure to cover each and every type. I think you can complete this entire chapter on integration in one day, even if you face difficulty in it. Practice around 50 to 60 questions, PYQ especially, and you'll ace this. Then this type is frequently asked. Okay. Next is Bayes theorem. If you're not able to do probability, then you can refer to the PYQs. Addition and multiplication theorem. Now, there is a confusion regarding section B and section C, which one to attempt. Section B is attempted by most of the JE students because they have this similar syllabus. Section C is mostly attempted by the commerce student, but I also attempted section C and it's very simple. You just have to learn formulas here. And this is more concept based. Okay. If I compare it, which one is easy? I feel section C is easier. Then yes, please practice competency based questions. Okay. There is this, you can access the PDF from the website of CISC. Practice all these questions. You can easily do it in the last 2 days. And subscribe for more such videos. I'll also be making videos on the most important questions of ITF, then differentiation, integration. So make sure to subscribe the channel. And that's it. All the best. Bye.